Fisherman Anto back, and today we're targeting bass. Now it's a full moon, as you see, which is great because it lights up everywhere and you're not in total darkness. It is chilly tonight. There is a bit of surf which will probably give us false bite detections, but it's a nice evening, so let's give it a blast. So got the Shakespeare rod stand, and we're going to show you the kind of current condition of the ocean. It's a bit rough out there at the moment. When it's rough like that, the trick is to keep your rods as high as you can. I have the rod stand, I have it pushed up, putting an extra feet on the height of my rods, and what that does is it stops, because I'm trying to cast out past the breakwater, and it stops the breakwater hitting the line and giving false bites. What I'm using is the Penn Surf Blaster and the Black Rock Surf 13. So I'm using 2 hook and 3 hook flappers tonight, between 6 and 5 ounce leads, and I have one modification where I have the bottom hook longer to try target flats as well as the main target, which is the bass. So ragworm tonight. Ah, little flatty.
Which way did your line come in? Solid left, or was it?
Left. Yeah.
Well, still out?
Yeah. Oh, hold on a sec. So feel up and down, smooth both ways. So that's a flounder.
4 species for the night.
4 species a night, not bad.
Bit of batch bread.
Nice sambo size. No. Got a flounder, let's get him back. Good bit of tide out tonight, so it's hard to read the bites. It feels like there's a little bit of weight on this. Now, little rockling. Still taking bow hooks. As you can see, both snoods are in his belly, so we obviously took one, thought he got away with it, and I got another one, so we'll get him unhooked. Now this is going to be difficult, because which one went in first? Just not getting him. This guy wasn't getting away no matter what, was he? And he has the ragworm in his mouth, so we let him keep it. He deserves it. He took both of them, so we put him back. I'm on! I'm on! Okay, so we have something on. Let's have a look. We have a bass. Yes. Now, here we have a bass. Look!
Yeah.
So target species caught, and delighted to get him. Lovely, absolutely delighted. That's a nice fish. So guys, that's the evening finished with. So I got the target species, which was the bass, and a good size, and also got a flounder and a rockling. So it was a good evening. Rain held off. Now it was cold tonight. Please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you again soon. Take care.